Hey there and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. Well, it looks like the markets are in line to recover about half of the losses from yesterday's sell-off. The Dow lost 362 last night, but futures are up 216. NASDAQ and S&P futures are also both pointing higher, about half a percentage point. Over in Asia, the Shanghai and the Nikkei closed a little lower. The Hang Seng was actually up 0.86%. In Europe, we still have about 3 hours to go. The CAC in France and the DAX in Germany are trending higher. The UK's FTSE is holding steady, just down about 0.04 of a point. Now, the dollar did continue to weaken overnight after President Trump's first State of the Union address, and they offered few details about his economic plan. The president did say that he wanted to invest at least $1.5 trillion for infrastructure, but he did not say how he plans to target the U.S. growing deficit. As you can see, the dollar is actually taking a bit of a hit right now, down 88 points on the Bloomberg index. Now, we will have a closer look at some of the other elements from last night's State of the Union in a later report. And today, the Fed is actually going to announce its latest interest rate decision. Now, we are expecting about 3 hikes this year, but no one is expecting it to actually happen this early. So we will get a sense, though, of what may be coming in the near future. The Mortgage Bankers Association just released its weekly summary on mortgage applications. They were down about 2.5%, and that lines up with a report that I had yesterday looking at recent housing reports showing a possible weakening in the market as the supplies drop, existing home sales were dropping, new home starts were down, and of course then prices were up. One last thing, I wanted to take a look at Bitcoin. Now, it's actually up just over 1%. This is fluctuating again today. South Korea's finance minister has come out and said that his country has no plan to ban cryptocurrency trading like up in China, but they are looking at how to regulate the exchanges. Now, Bitcoin is still down about $1,000 from just 1 week ago. Right now, it's trading $110 higher than when it started, but it's still $10,145. It's really having trouble getting back up over that $11,000 mark. Hey, that's it for now. Please remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, YouTube. Check out our past reports on realinvestmentnews.com. We have a lot of news coming up today. You don't want to miss a moment. I'm Mike O'Neill, and we will see you again in a couple of hours.